Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to review the DKK Dual Dash Cam 1080p. This dash cam is an affordable option for those looking to enhance their driving safety and document any potential accidents on the road. In this video, we'll be covering all the important features and benefits of this device as well as any potential drawbacks. The DKK Dual Dash Cam features two cameras that record simultaneously in 1080p resolution, providing a clear and detailed image of the road ahead and behind. The front camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear camera has a 130-degree wide-angle lens. Both cameras have a built-in G sensor that automatically saves and locks any footage in case of an accident or sudden stop. This dashcam also has a 3-inch LCD screen that allows for easy playback of recorded footage. The device supports up to 32 GB of storage, which is plenty for a few hours of recording. In addition, the dashcam has a loop recording feature that automatically overrides the oldest footage to make space for new recordings. Other useful features include parking mode, which automatically starts recording when the car is parked and detects any motion, and WDR, Wide Dynamic Range technology, which helps to capture clear footage even in low-light conditions. The DKK Dual Dash Cam is incredibly easy to install and use. It comes with a suction cup mount for the windshield and a long power cord that can be easily hidden along the edges of the car. The device turns on and off automatically with the car ignition and starts recording as soon as it's turned on. The dashcam also has user-friendly controls that allow you to switch between front and rear camera views, adjust settings, and playback recorded footage. The device is also very lightweight and doesn't take up much space on the windshield, making it easy to drive with. Let's talk about some of the pros and cons of the DKK Dual Dash Cam. One major advantage is the affordable price point. Compared to other dash cams on the market, this device offers great value for its price. Another pro is the high-quality recording capabilities of both cameras, which provide a clear and detailed image of the road ahead and behind. Additionally, the user-friendly controls and easy installation make this device very user-friendly. However, one potential drawback is the limited storage capacity, which may require frequent manual deletion of old footage. Another potential con is the lack of built-in Wi-Fi, which means that you cannot download footage directly to your smartphone or tablet. Overall, the DKK Dual Dash Cam 1080p is a great option for those looking to enhance their driving safety and document any potential accidents on the road. With its affordable price, high-quality recording capabilities, and user-friendly controls, this device offers a lot of value for its price. When it may have some minor drawbacks, we think it's a great investment for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road.